One. Actually, I'm in my kitchen garden. So today I'll show you my kitchen garden. Actually, my mama are doing some work there. So in my kitchen garden, so many crops are present. So many winter crops, vegetables are present. Here is chili, and this is arhar, pigeon pea, and here is this is mustard, and this is white flower of radish, because radish is now fully matured, so flowers came. This is this is garlic leaves, and many more crops are also present here. Actually, we planted chili late, that's why chili is not that much mature, and chili not came. And I'll show you cauliflower of my kitchen garden. So this is the cauliflower of my kitchen garden. Here is carrot. This is carrot leaves, and wheat. Carrot is a part of root, so we eat root. And this is coriander leaves. Yeah, here is coriander leaves. All are cauliflower. Here is tomato, and many vegetables are present here. Um, this is all flower of radish. Actually, in when my mama planted all radish, sowing their seeds. So in that time, I was confused with spinach. I thought radish to spinach. That is spinach because spinach and radish leaves are little bit same. So that's why I was confused that time. And here is potato. Mm, yeah. And all plants of brinjals. Actually, cauliflowers curd, to this to full of cauliflower we say curd. So its curd is not that much healthy. You can see here little bit different kind of. So it is not healthy. That generally other cauliflowers curd will be healthy, because here is nutrient deficiencies, and many other physiological disorders are present. That's why this curd is not that much healthy. Yeah. And here is cotton plant also. That is cotton plant. And many other plants also present. That is tamarind, imli, that is guava. Their scientific name is Pseudium gujava. I'm agriculture student, so I need to remember all the scientific names, families, chromosome numbers. So through vlogging, I also can tell their scientific names. Yeah, I also can remember the things through my vloggings, through my vlogs. So that is also helpful for me to remember the things. Yeah, and now what I can show you. Yes, that is jackfruit, Jackfruit, kathal. We generally say kathal. That is summer. That is summer fruit. In my just behind me, there is one street. So from that street, so many vehicles are run. So that's why that sound are coming. So that's it for today, because I don't have anything to show you, because I already show you all things that are present in my kitchen garden, and my mama giving watering to plants. So that's it for today. Bye.